Hey guys, it's Steven. Most traders I know can make money in the market, but they're not consistently profitable. And it's not because they don't know how to read a chart. It's not that they can't find setups. There are a ton of them on the internet. It's because they're trading without a plan in place. On the screen, you can see my framework for getting to consistent profits. And at the center of that is what every trader wants: consistency and profitability. I know a ton of traders that make money and then give it back and more. And around this consistent profit, you'll see the reason why they do that. They're relying on indicators too much. They're losing sight of the big picture, and they're especially trading what they want to see. They have a bias coming into the market or coming into their trade, and they're not trading what's actually there on the chart in front of them. They're not starting from top down. They're not reading price first, and they're not trading what's there. Each of these are tactics to get to trading the correct way. But today I want to zero in on the one sentence plan. If you want to get to actually trading what's there, the one sentence plan gives you a huge advantage. Because the problem is most traders are trading what they want to see, what they want to happen, what should happen, and not what's really on the chart. They're forcing their bias onto the stock or the ETF that they're trading, and they're basically guessing. And the one sentence plan solves that by stripping it down to one clear decision before you place a trade. The rule is super simple, and I made a cheat sheet, which you can get by typing plan into the comments. But basically what we're talking about is before every trade, either writing down or just repeating it mentally to yourself, if price does X, then I'm going to do Y. If price breaks above yesterday's high, then I'm going to buy. If price breaks support, then I'm going to short. That one sentence forces a trader to do two things. You have to define the condition on the chart that must happen, and then you define the action that you'll take when that condition happens. And if you can't fill in both of those, if you don't know both the X and the Y, then you don't have a plan. You just have I hope the stock does this, or I think the stock's going to do this. The one sentence plan protects you from bias, and every trader brings a bias to the market, whether it's a bias because of news they've seen, it's a bias because they like the stock, or it's a bias because of fundamentals they've read about the stock. You're bringing a bias to the market and imposing that onto the chart. What the one sentence plan does is it forces you to anchor every trade in observable price action, what you're actually seeing on the chart. And you can go one step beyond the one sentence plan to a tricky two sentence plan, which I also included in the cheat sheet, by making yourself state the actual setup that you're trading each time you enter a trade. So your second sentence to your one sentence plan is, I'm trading the blank setup. I'm trading the power bar at the open based on pre-market prices setup. I'm trading a pullback setup. I'm trading a breakout setup. Whenever that setup is, if you force yourself to define that you are trading the blank setup, now you're actually trading a plan. You're not trading a guess. You're not trading your bias. So here's what I want you to take away from this video. This visual to get to consistent profits has a lot of tools or tactics around it, but just focus on the one sentence plan and implementing that in your trading first. Again, I have it in a cheat sheet that basically goes over what I just said in this video. You can download that put it, by your computer when you do a trade. And over time, you'll build the habit of just doing it mentally, and you won't have to write it down. But in the beginning, write down, if price does this, then I'll take this action. And I'm trading the blank setup, whatever that setup is that you're trading. So just type plan into the comments. I'll send you that cheat sheet. If you're already on my email list, I actually sent the cheat sheet out to my list just a few minutes ago. So you already have a copy of it if you're on my email list already. And if you're looking for a setup to trade, I've linked one here on this page. My power bar at the open video, which you may have already seen. It's gotten like over 40,000 views on YouTube. So there's a setup. You can take your 1-sentence plan and apply it to that setup. And you're going to be on your way to consistent profits, as opposed to, again, making money in the market and then giving it all back. So if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe, download the cheat sheet if you want it. Ask any questions in the comments. I try to get to every comment and answer any questions there. And thanks for watching this video.